Yeah, hi. So first of all, I am Devdoot Singh. I'm from Kolkata. I would really like to thank Chris sir and Sunny sir for creating this wonderful platform of Chris AI technologies. And recently, I have been able to make a switch to the field of generative AI, and whatever skills and fundamental concepts I learned from the generative AI course taken by Sunny sir on this platform really helped me equip with the skills necessary, and I'm glad that I joined this course. Now, coming to myself, I have 3 years of work experience in Infosys Limited, and over there I mostly worked as a data analyst role. I mostly worked with tools such as Google Looker, SQL, Google BigQuery, and all. But I sort of in the span of the last 1 year, I always felt like that work which I was doing over there, it is replaceable easily by any LLM. Like, my job was mostly to assist the customers with their SQL queries, visualization issues, dashboards, and all. But in reality, the LLMs were actually performing better than us. So I somehow felt I really need to make a transition and skill up myself in the field of AI, deep learning, and machine learning. And actually, I had already done quite a few machine learning projects earlier on from my end, but I never was actually able to make a switch using the machine learning skills. So during the time of November 2024, I actually saw an ad on the YouTube for the generative AI course. That's when I went through the curriculum and all, and I enrolled for this course. And currently, I am very glad that I enrolled for that course at that point of time, which actually helped me learn the basic fundamentals, and as well as I did quite a few hand-on projects which made it possible for me to make the switch. So I actually chose this course because I always felt like the content available on YouTube and other platforms is not sufficient to actually get a grasp of the concepts. So that's when I felt, and actually I'm a bit of a slow learner. It takes me 2 to 3 repetitions of each concept to really get an understanding of it in my mind. That's when I decided to enroll for this course in November. And coming to that experience and the teaching support, everything, it was outstanding. Like, Sunny Savita was my mentor over there, and still that course is going on. It's been 6 months and still it's going on. And the fundamental concepts which Sunny used to describe us drawing on the drawing boards and all in his laptop, explaining each and every question, explaining each and every concepts and doubts which we had, and every single day, like after the classes were over, he used to take 30 to 40 minutes of doubt clearing sessions as well. So if anyone had any doubts, both related to any technologies or their career transition or career growth, projects and all, he always used to interact in a very openly manner, in a very friendly manner, and we used to give positive suggestions to everyone. So really, the in-depth teaching quality and concepts taught by Sunny was really outstanding, which really made me get a grasp of the fundamentals of deep learning and generative AI. And I hope I'll be able to make it count in the days to come in my career. And now coming to the biggest takeaways from this course. So first of all, I would like to say I had some moderate understanding of machine learning. I had done quite a few projects on regression as well as classification techniques, but somehow there I was not up to the mark. And when I enrolled for this course, first of all, I cleared the basics of the deep learning network. Sunny really explained each and every component to us very nicely, and from there on, he started explaining the LLM architectures, transformer architecture, the fine tuning, and everything. So the biggest takeaway for me is whatever classes he used to take, I actually used to like make small projects every single week starting from the third month onwards, means from the month of January, February. So every single week I was doing small projects, be it related to Hugging Face, LangChain, Grok, Gemini, whatever. Small fundamental concepts. So those things really help me develop my hands-on coding skills as well on Python while using the transformer architecture and all. So the biggest takeaway was actually getting hands-on experience and practical scenario projects, as well as the mindset shared by Sunny during the classes, that what's actually necessary for getting the job or cracking the interviews, what's the market demand and how it's changing, how we need to keep up with the ever-changing world and technologies coming up. Uh, his guidance was top-notch for me, and he explained each and every concept to us in a very precise manner that really helped me clear my doubts. And coming to the skills I have learned about uh, the different fundamental concepts of an LLM or a generative AI application from the front end as well as to the back end, be it the vector database, the data ingestion pipelines, how we use the RAG architecture. There are different kinds of RAG architecture which you can actually implement. Different kinds of vector databases are available over there, and depending on use case to use case, what kind of LLMs we can use, and also like different fundamental libraries and components of LangChain as well as LangGraph, which we use for creating agents. Yeah, then MCP as well. He is currently teaching regarding that. So these all those things together, he explained in the form of projects and modules very clearly. And I forgot to mention about fine tuning as well, which is a very important component in a production scenario for any LLM. So he explained each concept very clearly. There are different kinds of fine tuning and all in depth. He explained. So overall, the experience was really good. And coming to the results which I have achieved from this course, I have, as I told, I worked as a data analyst for a period of 3 years. I actually switched to the generative AI developer role at Hexaware. I got a hike of more than 100% in my current role. It was mainly based on the practice projects which I have done and deployed on GitHub and posted extensively on LinkedIn. So what I used to do is every single week on Saturday, Sundays we used to have the class. Now from Monday to Friday I used to do one project every week, and I used to deploy it to GitHub and I used to post it on LinkedIn. Now I actually got that job opportunity from LinkedIn only. I saw the job posting by the HR and I reached out to them via email, sharing my resume as well as my LinkedIn and GitHub with them. They went through my resume, GitHub and all, and they immediately scheduled the first technical round the very next day. And I was able to clear the first technical round, and after 3 days I had the second technical round, which was followed by a HR round after 3 more days, and within 10 days the offer was made to me, and I recently joined like 12 days back at Hexaware as a GenAI developer, and I'm very glad that I was able to make the switch using the fundamentals which I have learned from the generative AI course of Krish AI Academy taken by Sunny Savita and Chris sir. As a message to the future learners, I would suggest that the trainers who are over here, be it Sunny, be it Chris sir or anyone else, I have only undergone training under Chris sir and Sunny sir. Their fundamentals are very clear and they have good hands-on experience in the real production projects. So as a tip, I would suggest whatever thing they are teaching every week, try to do some practice projects based on it at your end. It can be anything. It can be a simple LangChain ingestion pipeline, or str output parser, or a simple LangChain, or just create a vector DB and create a simple RAG out of it. It can be anything. Most important thing is to do some practice projects from your end so that the fundamentals get clear. And just as the interviews are scheduled or coming up, try to practice a bit of cloud as well, because in my second round they asked all the questions from the Azure cloud, Azure OpenAI, Azure AI services and all. So I would suggest do the projects, deploy them on GitHub, share them on LinkedIn, follow your trainer's guidance, reach out to them for any issues, and learn a bit of cloud as well. That will really help to anyone. So thank you.